With wildfire season around the corner, the state is looking for ways to clean up Arizona to prevent wildfires, or hope to. And a new initiative costing the state millions of dollars will allow low-risk inmates to have jobs. Fox 10's Jennifer Martinez joins us live with more. Jennifer?
Well, Christina, the initiative will allow more than 700 inmates to prevent wildfires, and state officials say that there is more vegetation on the ground this year than last.
As we saw last year, wildfires continue to pose a serious threat to our community.
Over 900,000 acres of land burned in 2020 due to wildfires, the second most destructive year in the state's history. Governor Ducey says that the vegetation on the ground this year has already posed a threat for what's to come. Now steps to reduce that threat. $24 million going to Arizona Healthy Forest Initiative, a joint program between the Department of Forestry and Fire Management and the Department of Corrections, giving jobs to low-risk inmates to control vegetation.
The initiative will expand opportunities for state inmates to learn crucial life job skills for post-sentence employment. More than 700 state inmates will have an opportunity to manage fire-prone vegetation, gain experience with tools, and work together as a team.
Krista Countryman is a wildland firefighter for Arizona State Forestry. She joined the program when she was released from prison and says she hopes those that come after will find the benefit the way she did.
Aside from it being a valuable resource in preventing wildfires in Arizona, I have the highest hopes that this program will not only teach these men and women skills that they can use to find work upon their release, but that it will also rehabilitate them physically, mentally, and emotionally the way that the inmate fire program does and did for me.
And the state says that there are ways that you can prevent wildfires, and that includes making sure that you clean up your property and, of course, practicing responsible outdoor recreation. Reporting live tonight, I'm Jennifer Martinez with Fox 10 News.